development, to bring designs to life, project management, to make sure the client is happy, communication, because it's everything. If you are a web designer and developer,